Good morning students. I welcoming you all on the online session of 2020-21. So today I am taking the lesson number 1, the Learn Fools exercise. Before I proceed to the exercise, let's recall all the things that we have learned earlier. Okay students, so this is a story of 4 friends who spent a lot of time together, and among these 4 friends, the 3 of them are very learned men, but they are lacking common sense. But on the other side, the 4th man had a lot of common sense but less knowledge as compared 3 of them. So one day they decided that they will start the journey and go from one place to another, okay, and better themselves, get a expensive gift from the king, okay. So what they do, they started a long journey. So on the way, when they are passing through a dense forest, they saw a bones of a dead animal on the ground. After seeing the bones of a dead animal, all the 3 learned men started planning that how they will give a life to that dead animal. So the first man said, I assemble all the bones and make a skeleton. The second man said, okay, I will give skin, flesh and blood. The third man said that I will give a life to this animal. So they assembling for the bones, and then the second man give the flesh and skin and blood, and when it become a lion, okay, when it become a lion, when the third man is going to give a life to that lion, the 4th man give warning all of them that please don't do this, otherwise the lion eat all of us, okay. But they don't listen. This 4th man uses common sense and said, okay, whatever you want to do, you can do, but let me climb a tree first. So he climbed a tall tree and sat on a branch. The fourth man, okay. The third man brought the dead animal back to life. It was a huge animal. So what the animal did? After so many days, because of hungry, he died. When he get up, he get alive. He stood before all the 3 learned men, and then he pounced on them and killed them all. When the lion went to the forest, the 4th man came down from the tree and went home. He feels sorry for his friend because this 4th man used his common sense, but all the 3 men are so proud of their knowledge that they did not use their common sense, okay, and lost their life. Okay students, come to the meaning of new words. Learn means highly educated with a lot of knowledge. Lack means be without. Common sense and ability to know and understand, judge things correctly. Expensive means costly. Dense means thick. Ignorant means uneducated without knowledge. And pounce means jump on. Okay, come to the exercise part. The question number 1. Read the sentence, say whether they are true or false. The 4 friends, the first one, the 4 friends like each other. Yes, it is true. All the 4 were very learned men. No, only 3 of them are very learned men. So that is why it is false. The 4th man had no common sense. No, he had only the common sense. Only 3 of them lacking the common sense. The 3rd man brought the animal back to life. Yes, it is true. The 4th man saved his friends from the lion. No, the lion pounced all 3 of them and eat and kill all of them. But the 4th friend used his common sense and saved his life. So it is false. Write the opposite of the underlined words. The 3 men were learned, but the 4th man was ignorant. So opposite of learned is ignorant. Is the animal dead or alive? The opposite of dead is alive. Alive means having the life. The tiny mouse trembled with fear or seeing the huge lion. Tiny means small, huge means big in size. These shoes look expensive, but they are quite cheap. Expensive means costly, cheap means less price. The red light says stop and the green light says start. You already know it. Now come to the question number 3. Fill in the missing letter. A person who lacks knowledge is to be ignorant, that we have learned earlier. Second one, a place full of trees and animal is a forest only. Okay. Now come to the third one. The act of traveling from one place to another is called a journey. Okay. Fourth one, a person having a lot of knowledge is said to be a learned. Fifth one, a part of a tree or a plant is a branch. So students, you hope you will understand the exercise and lesson. So what you will do, you have to write all the answers in your English book. Okay. And by heart it. And also the word meaning of this lesson. By heart, understand, learn carefully. Thank you student.